Hello, fixers. Happy Friday. So, hopefully this will be a bit of a quick one. We never know though. Xbox 360 controller. A friend of mine decided to dust off their Xbox 360. And when I say dust off, I literally mean dust off, because the amount of dust that was on this was chronic. Anyway, he says it's not working. Not working at all. So I said I'd have a look, see what's what. So, without further ado, let's stick some batteries in and see where we are. Right. Batteries! Okay, batteries are in. Oh, dirt. Yep, nothing. You can tell it's all. Look how discoloured the sticks are. Joysticks are. Yep, he's right. Nothing. Got them the right way around, yeah. Right. Let's strip him down then. Oh, you can see this at some point has been taken apart before. Let's start with this middle one. Oh, come on, you bugger. Oh. I gotta be honest, I still use my 360. Right. This should come apart now. Oh, here we are. Oh. Missed the screw, that's why it wasn't coming undone. I gotta be honest, I still use my 360. I'm not a big gamer. I generally just play two games: Red Dead Redemption, which is my favourite game of all time, and GTA 5 on the Xbox. I did have Xbox One, which I bought on a Sunday a couple of years back to play Red Dead Redemption 2, and I'm a very impatient person. Brought it home, put the disc in, and then it said it was going to take hours to download. And I was like, what the hell is this? With my 360, put the game in, bang, it's done. So I lost my rag, put it back up for sale and sold it the same day. So that was the end of that. And funny enough, I've since been given an Xbox One and it's still in the bag over there. Because if I'm going to play a game, I play my 360. Or PlayStation 2 now, which I've got to fix, one coming up, so I can play Vice City again, which is my second favourite game of all time. Anyway, I digress. But other than that, I'm not a big gamer. Right. I tend to latch onto a game and then play it to death. Take that out. Is that gonna help me? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I need to clean this blue pad, don't I? Let's put some lighting on. Let's forget my lights. There you are, that's better, isn't it? Loose Scooby-Doo. That's the front and that's the back. It's all very dirty. Have a look. Mind you, it is God knows how many years old now. Could be up to 20 years old now, can it? Today? No, not quite. 15? Something like that. Oh God, them joints down here aren't good, are they? Look at all this mess. Oh dear. Not clean at all, is it? Hold on, look at that. So, look at that. So the solder joint is gone. I'll be honest, it's not the best on this one, outside either. There's holes in it. Oh, it's all very messy, isn't it? I wonder if that's probably the problem, is it? Right, let's give it a clean up then and sort that out. IPA, I'm going to clean all that up now. I might reflow some of them joints as well because they're not the prettiest. They're not the prettiest. Ah, don't I look better already? Come on now. Let's take them off and give them a clean. Look at that. Pen all inside it. Let's take them off, give them a clean as well. If you're going to do it properly in there. What about this side? This side's all dirty as well. Scooby-da-hoo, Scooby-da-boom. Right. Let's make a nice joint. Let's put some flux on. Remember that. Put my fan on because I don't need to breathe this stuff in any more than I already have. Right. Let's put a joint on here. Nice, that is nice. I like that. Happy as a sandboy I am with that. Oh, this one's minging. Let's put a bit more on here. Because I think that one's going to go the same way. Here we are. What's that now? Yeah, looks all good. Could it be that easy? Could it be that easy? Right. We'll find out, won't we? Gotta put this thing back together now. Which way did it come off? This way, won't it? Oh no! I left a bloody stick off. Well done, dickhead. Let's try it again. What? Oh, could have told me how one, couldn't you? Oh, for crying out friggin' loud. Right, we'll try again. Moment of truth. No. Still dead. There's a bit of corrosion in here, so I don't know if that would have stopped it. What's the test? Let's have it back in there. Here we are. So the problem is with the spring there, but there's also something wrong here. What could that possibly be? Well, it's working again anyway. Can I bring this forward a bit? Let's try that. Bring that forward. Bring that forward a bit. Let's try that. Yeah, because what happens is, when you put it in, this pushes down, joins that. Now you're not going to be able to see that. Trying to just bend it up a bit. Hey, there we are. So, 2 problems fixed with the Xbox controller. Happy days. So, another fix it. And a successful one. So, thanks for watching. Please do me a favour. Gently press the subscribe button. Softly press the like button. Because if you hit it, like a lot of people say, you're going to damage whatever you're using. Just don't hit anything. Don't mash the like button and all that. Just press it gently. Then press the like button gently. Press that little bell thing so you get notified. And then if you want to stick a comment of your favourite game in the comments below, doop-dab, put it in there. And we can have a discussion, okay? But for now, the Xbox controller is fixed. Till next time, intrepid fixers. See you later! Ta-ra! Whee!